Hello students, this video is related to the introduction to science lab apparatus. We will discuss the various apparatus one by one. Firstly, we will discuss about the test tubes. As you can see, the picture of test tubes is there. It is made up of glass. It is a cylindrical glass tube closed at one end. It is used for carrying out chemical tests. A hard glass test tube made of Pyrex is called a boiling tube. It is used for heating substances at high temperature. Now secondly, we can see the picture of a conical flask. It is also known as Erlenmeyer flask or titration flask. It features a flat bottom, a conical body and a cylindrical neck. It is used for storage of various liquids and for mixing of various solutions. This is a beaker. As you can see, it is a glass container with bottom flat and a pouring tip. It is used for mixing, pouring and heating solutions. In this picture we can see round bottom flask. It is a flask with round shaped bottom. It is used for gas preparation as heat is uniformly distributed throughout on heating. This is a flat bottom flask. It is a flask with flat bottom. It is used for a gas preparation where heating is not required and uniform distribution of heat is not required. This is a test tube stand. It is a wooden or plastic stand with hole at its upper part. It is used for keeping the test tubes straight through the holes during the experiment. Now this is a picture of a test tube holder. It is a metal strip with a wooden handle. It is used for holding a test tube because the wooden holder, being a poor conductor of heat, makes holding the holder easy. This is a funnel. It is a cone-shaped white glass vessel drawn into a narrow neck. It is used in filtration and for transferring liquids to containers. This is a tripod stand. Tripod stand is made up of an equilateral trident triangle with 3 legs. It is used for keeping glassware like beaker, flask, etc. for heating. Now what we are seeing is wire gauge. It is a rectangular wire mesh with an asbestos at its center on which glass apparatus is kept for heating. It prevents the glass apparatus from cracking and ensures uniform distribution of heat. Now what we are seeing is Bunsen burner. It consists of a burner tube and air regulator and a base. It is used for heating purpose and LPG is used as a fuel in it. Next one is thistle funnel. It consists of a long glass tube with a broad inlet at the top. As you can see, its lower end dips below the solution in order to prevent the escaping out of the gases. Its main function is to add the reactant into the flask. Now one can see these are the delivery tubes and they are thin hollow gas tubes of various shapes. They are used for connecting one apparatus to another and transfer of gases. Right now what we are looking at is beehive shelf. It is provided with 2 outlets. It is used for collecting the gases by the downward displacement of water. Gas jar is kept over it to collect the gas. This is a glass pipette. It measures the liquid by sucking the liquid from the top up to the marked level and closing the open end with the thumb. This is a measuring cylinder. It is a graduated glass cylinder of different capacities and is used for measuring the volume of liquids. This is a setup in which we can see burette in the stand. Burette, it measures liquid by pouring the liquid from the top of the apparatus up to marked level. The liquid is drawn out by opening the tap below. Now we can see retort in a picture. It is a round glass vessel with a long neck bent downwards. It is used for carrying out distillation of liquids. This is a china dish made up of porcelain which is glazed, and it is used for boiling liquids in the chemistry lab and for making crystals in the process of crystallization. Now we can see glass stirring rods are made up of glass and used for mixing solutions in the labs. Now what we are seeing are the cork. Corks are of 2 types. One is the borer cork which is having hole in it and it is used to pass the delivery tube through the apparatus. And the next one is also known as cork or the stopper, and it is used for just sealing the any apparatus which is used in chemistry lab. So this was all about today's class. We come to an end of this session, and I will catch you later on in the next activity class. Till then, bye.